I'm just going to show you what I bought. Chin mount. It's for putting your camera on, GoPro or whatever. And I just put that on the other day. I got it through the mail. I actually saw it come up on Facebook and I thought, that looks quite good, I'll give it a try. So I did. So I bought one, so I'm going to try it out for the first time. I'm going to nip up to Woolies on the bike and we'll see how the camera works on the chin mount. Well, let's go for a wee ride in the Goldwing and try this helmet mount out. Next door going away. It's certainly quite comfortable with the camera sitting on the front of the helmet. I used to, if I was wearing the helmet before, I used to put it on like a side mount, and by the time you put the camera and all the bits added to it and everything, you can actually feel it. And when you turn your head, it maybe hit off your shoulder, or you had to be careful with it. This chin mount's so much easier. You can actually see the camera. If I had it up a wee bit, I'd probably be able to see the screen. It's sitting in a sort of down position at the moment, so I can't. But if it was up, I'd probably see the screen from the helmet. I can nearly see it. That's maybe something I could play around with. I was just looking as well. I've got one of these GoPro camera mounts on, and it's got a, what is it you call it, a USB-C plug. And I'm just wondering, I plugged in the cable to the GoPro and onto one of these batteries, you know, the, what is it you call them? These chargeable batteries that you can cut, power bank, that's it, power bank. I plugged it into one of them and I was using the camera and I thought, that's keeping the battery charged up. So I'm going to go out. I've got 2 or 3 of them in the house, all different sizes, so I might just go and put one on and at the weekend go for a ride and do a bit of video and having the battery plugged in there just to see if it keeps it charged up, because you know how quick the GoPro batteries are at going flat. So I'll see how that goes. Geez, everywhere you go there seem to be traffic lights these days. I don't know, I hope this microphone's working. It's another new one that I bought. The old one seems to, I don't know, you get crackling noises through it and everything, but I did a wee test with this one the other day and it seemed to be okay. And by the way, I'm videoing in 4K. So this is on the Goldwing. Look at the mirrors, look at that. Absolutely fantastic visibility. Everything's within easy reach. And she's like a sports bike, she's quite nimble, you know, you can lean her over in the corners easily. Look at that. Fantastic bike to ride. Anyway, I'm going up into Woolies and then back home again, so I'll catch you when I come out the shop and I'll continue this video in wonderful 4K. I'm just trying it out in 4K just to see what the difference is when you're editing it and processing it, rendering it and whatever, just to see how much longer it takes and see what the quality is like compared to other stuff. An interesting wee experiment. If you do 4K videos, let me know. Anyway, I'm going into the shop. I'll be back. I'll see you in a bit. Well, So there's what reverse gear does. You just plonk the button in, press the starter button and she reverses back, stop it and switch reverse off, up into gear. What a fantastic idea that is, especially for such a big bike. Whoop. No way to run people over. So yeah, it's a bit of a rigmarole camera setup, isn't it? Especially if you're just doing a short journey, but however, it's all good. So yeah, I'm going to start getting out and about a bit more on the bike. If that's possible. It's winter's in now. This is actually winter weather in Victoria, Australia, and it's hard to believe, isn't it? It looks so nice, but it's not as warm. I think it's only about like maybe 14 degrees or something today, which isn't too bad for winter. People over here think it's cold, but when you're used to Scottish weather, nah. So yeah. So this thing is a pleasure to drive. I like to use my KTM every day to my work. I use it regularly every day, and I just keep this Goldwing for weekends. If I'm taking the wife out anywhere, I use the Goldwing because it's a bit more comfortable with a big seat in the back. And yeah, if I'm going anywhere locally or that, you know, I'll use this. It's not that big a bike. A lot of people think it's a huge big bike to use about for local riding, but it's not. It's fun. It's a great bike. Like I say, it's like a sports bike. You can get her over at the corners. Just watch for traffic coming. It's great fun, it really is. I never thought a Goldwing would be a fun bike to ride, but it is, it really is. You got to watch your speed in this thing because it picks up really quick. Anyway, that's it for today, and I'll catch you later. This is me just heading home. Bye bye.